Good morning, all of you. How do you do, children? All are you doing well? Yes. So, children, this is very cold. Take care of yourself and keep warm yourself. Okay? Okay, so all of you ready for the class? Very nice. Okay, so show me your big smile. Very good. Okay. So children, now let's start our class. Okay. So children, today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Yes. And Thursday comes after Wednesday. Yes. Okay. So children, today also we will revise the sound sound. Yes? Can you say with me? Can you tell me what we are learning? Sound. आपका tongue say with me. Sound. Yes? And this is very easy to write. Make a standing line and this is sound. Yes? Okay. And now tell me what are the vocabularies of sound. Tell me children, what is this? Do you remember? What is this? Brown color. And what is this? This is log. For log. Say with me. Log. And I have told you the log is a big piece of a big and thick stem. Yes? So this is for log. Okay. And now tell me, what is this, children? Can you tell me? Yes, it's a baby. And whose baby? Sheep's baby. For lamb. For lamb. Lamb. Sheep's baby called lamb. Okay, very nice. Now, who can tell me who is this? It's a big lion. For lion. Yes, and lion where lion lives in the where he lives? Jungle. Yes, because lion is a wild animal. So lion. For lion. Okay. And all of you love to eat this colorful, sweet. This is for lollipop. Yes, for lollipop. And what was the song of the sound? We'll lick a lollipop. We'll lick a lollipop. Yes. Okay, sing once again. We'll lick a lollipop. We'll lick a lollipop. Yes, so this is for lion. Okay. And this is lamp. For lamp. And I have told you when we on the switch of lamp, then what comes out? Light. So this is for lamp. And children, you have to learn all these vocabularies vocabulary words, pictures name of ul sound very careful, because we will take test of these pictures, this sound. So children, learn all the sounds and all the vocabulary words very nicely. When I will take your test, so you should know all the words of ul sound. Okay. So children, be prepared. Okay, now we will learn, children, how to write ul sound. And all of you know this is very easy. Just make a standing line, and this is ul sound. Here you can see, children, this is your alphabet small letters book, and here you can see some dots of standing line. You have to trace this line for ul sound. And on this picture, children, you can see, here you can see 1, 2, 3. In these 3 lines, you have to write ul sound. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in these 3 lines, you have to write ul sound. Now, be ready with your book and your pencil and your rubber. Okay. So children, now we will learn how to write ul sound. Take page number 57, and here you can see dots of standing line for ul sound. So trace all the dots very neatly and carefully. Straight line, standing line for ul sound. This is ul sound. One more time. Trace all the sounds neatly like this. So this is ul sound. Now turn the page, and here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines, and you have to write ul sound in 3 lines. From here 1, 2 and 3. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. In 3 lines you have to write ul sound. This is very easy. Just trace the lines. Ul sound. In 3 lines you have to write ul sound. Make a standing line, and this is ul sound. Ul for lion, ul for lobster, ul for luggage, ul for log, ul for lollipop. So children, this is very easy. So please write yourself ul sound. And here you can see ul for leaf also, and here you can see ul for lemon also. Lemon is नींबू. नींबू को ul for lemon बोलते हैं. Okay. So children, keep writing, keep learning how to write ul sound. Okay. And this is very easy. And so children, do your work on time, and please send me your work on time. I am waiting for your work. So children, take care. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we will meet again tomorrow in the morning with new sound. And children, you have to learn all the sounds from A to ul sound. ऐसे लेकर ul sound आपको सब sounds अच्छी तरह learn करना है. Okay children, so now take care. Bye bye. We will meet again tomorrow.